In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix NBA app login error. So if you're facing the login error in NBA app, first of all check the internet connection. Sometimes the problem might be caused because of the poor network, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, you should be able to log in to your account. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try checking the credentials. Make sure the email address you provided is correct. Also make sure the password is correct. If you've entered the incorrect password, you can also tap on the option forget password and reset it for yourself. After you reset the password, make sure to enter the correct password and you'll be logged into your account. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, what you can do is simply update the app. Updating the app can fix the bugs, so for that launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for NBA. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for NBA and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. After you do that, you should be able to log in to your account. But still, if you're facing the login error, try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Now what you have to do is find this application for NBA and long press on it. Now tap on the option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, you'll be able to find various options. Tap on the option storage and cache. Now in the storage interface, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache. Now the cache of this app should be cleared. After you do that, you should be able to log into your account. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, all you can do is simply uninstall the app and install it again. After you do that, try logging into your account and you should be able to log in. So that is how you fix NBA app login error. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.